Hey, my name's Zach. If you've lost your taskbar icons, you do not need to worry. Follow me here and I'll show you how to get them back. So I'm just on my computer right now and I'm going to just right-click Photoshop just for the fun of it, and I accidentally hit unpin this program from taskbar. Oh no, I've lost my program and it is no longer on my taskbar. But like I said, that is no longer a problem. So what we're going to do is get that Adobe back onto your taskbar. So over here, we're going to open Explorer. We're going to go to Computer, go to your C drive, go to Program Files, Adobe, and go to Adobe CS6. And if we scroll down, we're going to look for Photoshop here. And as you can see, it's an application. Now I can right-click it and say Pin to Taskbar. And close here. Like I said, you didn't have to worry. Photoshop is back on my taskbar and I've recovered my old desktop icons onto it. Thanks for watching.